guess it doesn't matter. He fell off a bridge. Let's just
But
say that.
they saw him.
Oh, I saw the video.
And one of the fishing boats or whatever raced over there.
Did he live?
A pilot ship went out and got him,
Yeah, pilot
but they
ship.
took it down. They took the part where he fell off the bridge. They cut it out. It's not on YouTube anymore.
No.
Was it the Gordie Howe Bridge?
No, it's not built yet.
Was it the Ambassador?
It was the Ambassador, yeah.
Wow.
How far did he fall?
From the top?
I came back at Congressville. That was the year we did the whole fucking race. Either got third, I can't remember. We got disqualified. They started early. They never heard nothing. They never had fucking radio on. You want to talk about bear nuts sailing in Congress? That's when they told you got a bag like this big. I didn't know what. I had the shittiest foul weather gear. It didn't rain until we took off, and the winds got up to 40 knots.
Hey, when you have this off, do we just have it like just loosey-goosey out?
Huh?
Just
Yeah,
loosey-goosey?
yeah. Good call. Good call. You know what, no sure. If we stayed out here later, if the wind shifts a little bit, we can pull the chute out because we can go to the right.
Yeah, I'm trying to stay above them.
The wind's picking up a bit.
Yep, it's coming back.
So we're by it, and we'll know.
No. I mean, we'll see if we keep moving ahead of them. Whoa, back off. Ease up on the feet. We won't for a while. All right, go.
Brian's starting to pull away.
Look at the one in front of us.
Got a full too.
Yeah, but the guy in front of us doesn't.
Hey, what are you fucking doing, Shirt? Pay attention.
Yeah.
Hook that up or something.
Well, I couldn't leave it because it was going to rain and the camera.
Where's he live?
Vermont.
So he's off the grid?
No, not totally. He has a Tesla battery, solar panels.
Okay.